Here's why every wine journey starts with France, and it's not what you think. It's not about being fancy or only drinking, exotic wines. It's really just, it's foundational. We study France because that is the spiritual home of the eight noble grapes that we cover in our wine PhD course. Well, all I want you to know for this week is that France is worth studying because it's where you create the baseline from which everything else is compared. All those start with studying France and French wines. What I want you to know about Bordeaux this week, very simply, is that the taste is complex. The region is not. If you'd like to learn more, there's a full post link in the bio.